Okay, go for it. Okay, make sure you pan down a little bit so we can see those floors there too. Perfect. Great.
Porch.
You can go straight on through to the kitchen. Just slowly stop there and then pan down so we can see the floor as well.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Pan down too so we can see that deck, the decking there too, and just the shape of the decking and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. All right, just slowly stand in there with the by the fridge and get a shot of the countertops, the you know the the countertops, the type of cabinetry. Sorry, blanket there. Very good. And let's get a shot of that floor too, just so everybody. I think we're looking at just sheet vinyl flooring, pretty neutral. Very good. Excellent. All right, let's move on to the powder room. Is your floor plan memorized here? Just a shot of the vanity there. Perfect. All right, let's check out the garage. All right. Very good. Opener and everything. Awesome. Perfect. All right, let's check out the basement. I know it's unfinished. Just give people an idea of the space. Okay, so we got water meter on the wall, furnace under the stairs, hot water heater under the stairs. Okay, very good. Sewer line. Is there a sump pump down there, Jeremy?
No, that's a radon reduction system.
Okay, so a radon mitigation system in place. Perfect.
Yeah.
And there's no sump pump?
No.
Okay.
I'm aware of.
Nope, that's good. Some do, some don't. That's why I wasn't quite sure. Okay, and then you have the patio there, the nice view out to the backyard. Perfect. No, that's good. Starting to freeze up a little bit, probably because we're far away from the router there, but that's good. Oh, that should work. And then we'll head up to the upper level here. And that floor in the living room, is that like a, is that, I couldn't remember, Jeremy. Is that like a real hardwood or is that like kind of like a laminate hardwood?
It's a laminate.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's nice and neutral. I just couldn't remember for sure. But no, it looks like it's in good shape.
Um,
Okay, just slow down on those spinning ones. Or give everybody a little motion sickness there when we. Now that'll work. Okay, cool. Then just a shot of the, now you have the walk-in closet there to the right. All right. Nice size. Very good. And then just a little linen closet there. I know that's there. That's cool. And then
okay.
double bowl vanity and toilet and shower. So yeah, very good. Nice setup there. And get a shot of the floor there real quick, just so everybody can see the same light vinyl sheet. Perfect. All right. We got the two other bedrooms, then the laundry in the hallway, and that's pretty much all right. Bedroom number 2. Very nice. Very nice. We got the laundry in the hallway there. That's good. You got the doors on and everything. Still work.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Bedroom number 2 or 3. Bedroom number 3. Very good. Just a normal closet in there. I know that one's okay. And then just the main bath and pretty much it. So yeah, main bath, floor, excellent. Very good. Just a shot of the vanity maybe so we can see that there. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right. I think that's all we're gonna do for now.
Okay.